Hey everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to talk to you about how to play the guitar and sing at the same time. I've gotten so many emails from people telling me that they're able to play the song on the guitar, they can sing the song, but when they try to do it at the same time, they keep stumbling and they cannot get through the song without falling apart. Now, the reason why playing the guitar and singing at the same time is so difficult is because you're trying to do two completely separate things at the same time. It's like rubbing your stomach and tapping your head. It's two completely different things. You're playing a strumming pattern with your right hand, you're playing chord progressions in a different time with your left hand, and then you're singing a melody which is not the same as any of those things. So it's three completely different things that you're trying to do all at once, and that's why it's so complicated and you keep stumbling. So that's why it's important first to learn the song on the guitar without singing it and get it completely set to memory on the guitar first. And then you can try to sing on top of it. But even still, I know a lot of people, they can play the song effortlessly. But even still, I know that you can play the song all the way through perfectly without stumbling, but when you try to sing still, it falls apart. And the thing that is tripping you up is not singing the melody in time with your playing. And if you don't know how to time up the melody with the rhythm, then you're just going to keep stumbling over the same song, over the same parts, over and over and over again. So the way to fix this is to find the anchor words. So let me break this concept down for you with an actual song. Okay, so let's take the song You Are My Sunshine, for example. For this song, we're going to be using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. So we have, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. So it's important to understand the strum pattern. So we're using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. And it's important to understand that pattern and when it repeats, when the first beat of each measure starts. And to find what word am I saying, or what word is the artist singing when the pattern repeats, or when we get to the beginning of a new measure, what word is being said, okay? So we'll notice at the beginning of the song, if I just start playing the G, and then I start singing, you are my sun, right there, sun of sunshine is the first syllable on the first beat, okay? So when I get to beat 1 of a new measure, I'm on the word sun, of sunshine. So that means you are my, those 3 syllables are coming in the middle of the measure before, okay? They're coming, you, they start with beat 2. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. So you'll notice that for each line, I'm starting the words on beat 2 of a measure, okay? You are my sunshine starts on beat 2. My only sunshine, my starts on beat 2. So that's an important thing to realize, because if you're trying to sing this song and you say you on beat 1 of the measure, it's going to throw off the entire thing. Okay, if I go, you are my sunshine, you are my sunshine, my only sun, and then you get all thrown off, okay? So it's important to realize when the words start in the measure and to find that anchor word. And your anchor words are going to be the words that begin on beat 1 of a measure. So let's look at this strum pattern template. I'm going to open that up here. And with this strum pattern template, you can take any song and you could put the words on the bottom and make sure you don't have to do this with typing. You can do this with just a pen and paper. Print out the strum pattern template, and then you can, with a pen, you can write things in. And this part is going to be a little difficult to put it in, but we want you are my to be way over there, and sun is where beat 1 is going to be. And the other thing, you can write in the strum pattern. So and then we have another up. So this is the folk pattern right here that we use for You Are My Sunshine. So you can draw this in with a pen or a paper, and then You Are My Sun, sun, and then shine happens on beat 3. Sunshine, right there on beat 3. Sunshine, my, and then my comes on beat 2 of the next measure, and then only on beat 4. And then beat 1 of the next measure is sun again, sun for sunshine, okay? So these are your anchor words, or in this case, anchor syllables. We have this sun, we have this sun, okay? Sun, the same thing as the last time we said sunshine, sunshine. And then we have you make me. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. So happy, the first syllable of happy is the anchor word for the first beat of the next measure. Okay? So we have happy. The second syllable of happy comes on beat 3. Okay? So going through a song and dissecting it like this, finding the anchor words or the anchor syllables, and where those words or syllables are on beat 1 of each measure, that's going to help you to anchor yourself, anchor the melody into the rhythm so that you don't get them offset. Because if you get them offset, it's going to be really hard to find your place again. And this is where most people get mixed up, as they offset it, or they start the melody too soon, or they start the melody too late when it comes to singing, and then it throws off the whole thing. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the Strum Pattern template to dissect songs on your own, you can click the Patreon link in the description down below, where I post exclusive worksheets and more. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.